In this video, let's talk about how to use Media Creation Tool Windows 11. So the Media Creation Tool is an official Microsoft utility that helps you install or reinstall Windows 11 using a USB flash drive or ISO file. Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to use it. First thing that you need to do is download the tool, then go to official Microsoft page and download Windows 11. And then run the tool, open the downloaded file, accept the license terms when prompted. After that, you can choose your setup option. Then select the language and edition. Usually, it will auto-detect your system. You can uncheck use the recommended options to choose manually. Then choose the media type. You can choose either USB flash drive, 8 GB or larger, ISO file for burning to DVD or mounting later. Choose USB flash drive if you're planning to install Windows on other PC. Lastly is select USB drive. The tool will list available drives, then select the correct one. The tool will download Windows 11 and create a bootable USB. This may take 15 to 60 minutes depending on your connection. The requirements for this is you need a stable internet connection and 8 GB plus USB drive. The PC must meet Windows 11 system requirement.